Monica, first of all, congratulations
Thank you, ma'am.
on your successful journey. And this is kind of a feedback call which we wanted to take, and we wanted to know your journey at Clinilaunch and where have you placed, when is your joining, and whatever you would like to share with us.
I joined Clinilaunch 2023 June 15th in customized certification in clinical research. I tried so many jobs in clinical research, but I didn't succeed, and I lost hope. But I need to try in other way also and other field also. So I applied for medical coding in Cora Health from CLRA Institute. And I placed in Cora Health. Now I'm very happy to start my career.
Okay, that is
CLRA
great.
gave me a very good platform for the job. I'm so happy with that.
Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you for your feedback. And I want to wish you all the luck from Clinilaunch. And how was the training otherwise? How was the support from the mentors? And how did your overall experience with the interview went?
Interview is well good, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. All the very best. This is your start. In case in future, if you need any help, we are always there to support you. Thank you. Thank you, Monica.